Good morning to all of you, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Pyare bachcho, as you know that these days we are discussing the very important topic that is our philosophy, and earlier we have discussed the meaning of education, nature of education, functions of education, and principles of education. And then we move to another topic that is philosophy. And in philosophy, we discussed meaning of philosophy and also the what are the principles and what are the these how philosophical problem is different from the scientific problem. And now we are discussing the very important topic today that is the nature of philosophy. तो प्यारे बच्चों आपको पता ही है कि हमने बोला कि जो फिलॉसफी है इसके डिफरेंट जो जो इसका डिफरेंट फिलोसफिकल मेथड होता है वो भी हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें कौन कौन सा स्टेप आता है वो भी हमने डिस्कस किया we have discussed induction, we have discussed deduction, analytical method, analysis and synthesis. And now today we will discuss one more topic that is nature of philosophy. So before we discuss nature of philosophy, as you know that when we study the nature of science, so for studying the nature of science, ultimately we know that science is a scientific knowledge. So we have to understand what is the nature of these scientific methods. We have to study what is the scientific problem, what are the methods, what are the attitude. So like this, in nature of philosophy, we discuss in order to explain the nature of philosophy. The nature of philosophy is philosophical. इसी तरह से यहाँ पर है in order to understand this very much concept, we have to understand, in order to understand the nature of philosophy, we have already learned that what is philosophical problem, what is philosophical attitude, and what is philosophical activity, and what is philosophical method. We have discussed that. And इसी तरह से हमने पढ़ा है philosophical problems or general problems, they are critical and synthetic. इसी तरह से philosophical method में हमने पढ़ा induction, deduction, dialectical method, analysis and synthesis. और philosophical activity में हमने पढ़ा it begins in wonder, curiosity. So here we will give you some main pointers regarding the nature of philosophy. Philosophy is a set of views or beliefs about life and the universe. This is the first nature. That is, philosophy is a set of views or beliefs about life and the universe. As we know that we have discussed also that the philosophy studies the major schools that is epistemology, metaphysics, axiology, aesthetics, cosmology, to logic. These all are come under the philosophy. So philosophy is a set of views or beliefs about life and the universe. And likewise, philosophy is a process of reflecting and criticizing our most deeply held conceptions and beliefs. As you know, in coming lectures in future, we will discuss also through light on epistemology. We will give light through light on axiology, metaphysics. Now here philosophy is a process of reflecting and criticizing our most deeply held conceptions and beliefs. इसी तरह से philosophy is a rational attempt to look at the world as a whole. So this is one more nature of the philosophy, that philosophy is a rational attempt to view, to look at the world as a whole. As I have already told you that philosophy studies something as a whole, not in parts. And one more point is that which come under the study of philosophy, nature of philosophy is that philosophy is the logical analysis of language and the clarification of the meaning of the words and concepts. This is very important, that in philosophy the main focus is on logical analysis of language and the clarification of of the meanings of the words and concepts. This is one more nature. Philosophy is a group of perennial problems that interest people and which philosophers always have sought answers. तो यहाँ पर ये जो philosophy है ये हमेशा इसका होता है search for truth, search for knowledge, enquiry and go deep into the studying the universal problems and get the answers of these problems. One more point is that philosophy presses into enquiry. जो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बोला है इसका जो अल्टीमेट होता है वो इंक्वायरी होता है into the deepest problems of human existence. So these are some points which are related to the nature of philosophy. First हम यहाँ पर कह सकते हैं it is a set of views or beliefs about the life and the universe. Philosophy is a process of reflecting and criticizing. Philosophy is a rational attempt to look at the world as a whole. Philosophy is a logical analysis of language and clarification of meaning of words. And these are all included under the concept that is nature of philosophy. And I hope today it is enough for today. But before we conclude, you are requested to subscribe our channel and share and subscribe our channel, Dr. Rayees Ahmad, Discover Teaching and Learning, so that all the students get benefited from this very much channel. I hope it is enough for today. Thank you very much.